Hi and welcome to SASSM 2019. I want to invite you to the first ever cadaveric workshop on benign implant in India and one of the best conferences on andrology in Southeast Asia by SASSM. In this congress we have a cadaveric penile implant workshop where we, 12 tutors, will teach the basics of penile implantation surgery to 60 urologists. We will make sure that every know-how of penile implants is adequately covered and we can create confident penile implantologists. In this 4-day congress, we have a dedicated day for the treatment of erectile dysfunction by leading experts from across the globe. They will teach you the basics as well as the advanced therapies for erectile dysfunction. On the second day of the conference, the entire sessions are dedicated to sexual dysfunction, where we'll be covering everything from sexual education to male and female sexual dysfunction. We will have some exclusive sessions on sexual education, which will be aimed at helping struggling young couples. On the third day of the congress, we have a session on testosterone therapies, on testosterone replacement, a dedicated session for diabetes and erectile dysfunction. We have sessions for the general practitioners on how to create a men's health sustainable clinic, and we have parallel sessions on infertility where we'll cover the basics and the advanced techniques. Everything from semen analysis to sperm retrieval will be covered in detail by experts from across the country and Southeast Asia. I'm sure that this congress is going to be a great academic feast for the andrologists and practitioners of men's health, and I hope to see you there and join us in this exciting event. For more details, visit sassm2019.com.